Hi guys, so I'm back with the dessert this time. I'm making banoffee pie today. So this is quite a rich, decadent dessert. I don't make it quite often, but it's something that my entire family enjoys, including my mum and dad, which is quite rare. But yeah, so today I'm making that. So for this you'll need half a pack of digestives, 1.5 tablespoon of icing sugar, double cream. You'll need 2 bananas and I'm going to slice them. You need 1 tin of caramel and you'll need about 175 grams of butter. So I'm just taking my biscuits and I'm going to crush them. And yeah, so you'll need to make sure that you really get in there, crush all the biscuits out, but don't make it too thin, otherwise it'll be too crumbly. I'm adding my butter in and I'm just going to stir it in until the mixture turns into a kind of wet sand like mixture. So it should look like this. Then get the dish that you're going to make your dessert in, pour it in. Just smooth out the bottom layer, make sure that you're getting right to the edges, and make sure that you push down the crumb mixture so that it can have a firm base. And then I'm just going to put it in the fridge for about half an hour and then bring it back out. And then I've got my caramel tin. Usually the caramel, when you open it, is quite condensed into the tin, so what I like to do is before I take it out into the dish, I like to mix it up, just make it into like a smooth consistency so that it's easier to work with. It should look something like this, like a gooey runny mixture. And then I just get the mixture and pour it over into the crumb base. Sometimes the crumbs start to come off, so I just pick up the dish and just let the caramel flow into the ends of the tin. If you have any parts that are not covered, just put a bit more caramel and smooth it down. I'm just going to get my 2 bananas now and just give them a quick peel. I don't know about you guys, but I hate keeping the ends on, so yeah, just chop them off and chop them away. But yeah, I'm just chopping my bananas now. Just gonna put them into the dish over the caramel. If you have any bananas left once you've filled up the dish, all you have to do is just overlay it. The more bananas the better. I was gonna cut some more up and put it, but I just thought I'd just keep it a thin layer. Then I've just got a separate bowl. I'm just gonna add in my double cream and incorporate the icing sugar in it. So I'm just gonna pour it all out. I'm just gonna whisk up briefly a little bit, and then I'm gonna put in my icing sugar. I've put in about 1.5 tablespoon. I don't usually like to put too much sugar. Just keep whisking it until it gets thicker. As you can see, it's getting a little bit more thicker as I'm whisking it out. And then yeah, it should look like this with stiff peaks. So this is where you stop, otherwise it will get too much. And then I'm going to pour it over into my dish. If you have any spare left, just keep it extra. There's no point of overcrowding the pan. So I'm just smoothing it down now. Then I'm just going to get some chocolate sprinkles and just put it over the top just for it to kind of look nice. But yeah, there we have it, banoffee pie. So this is my kind of version of it. A lot of people add quite different things and add a lot more sugar and stuff like that, but I just prefer not to. But yeah, so this is something that you can make quickly for guests that come over. But yeah, it's just something that everybody enjoys. If you guys like this recipe, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see my new recipes that will be coming. If you do try this recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Fahimas Cookbook. But yeah, bye.